Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing something with you that is absolutely powerful. It's a great way to increase your income and also to market whatever programs it is that you're currently involved in. So if you're interested in seeing what it is that I'm doing with this AI email assistant to average $300 a day and how it could benefit you, I encourage you to watch this video through to the end. Income disclaimer: there are no guarantees in any business. Your personal results will depend upon your own efforts and your work ethic. But check this out. I don't know when it is that you're watching this video, but these were my results in the last 3 days. So as you can see, here's my name, Troy Minor. This payment came into my Stripe account, $200 on August 5th, 2025. Same date, August 5th, this came into my Cash App, $50. Another Cash App payment, my name here, August 5th for $100. August 6th, Cash App, $150. And August 6th, $100 Cash App. August 7th, $150. This was to my Stripe account. And this was another $150. I actually accepted this payment through Chime because the individual didn't have Stripe or Cash App. But you can pretty much set this up however it is that you want to be paid. These are instant profits. And as I said, this thing is going to work for you regardless of what it is that you're promoting, and send those emails out on your behalf. And all you need to do is really tell it where you want it to start promoting for you. Basically, in a nutshell, you tell it what programs you are involved in, instruct it to start promoting your offers for you. And this is an AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. And the business itself is known as Simple Commissions, and the product is Mailbot. So Mailbot is doing all this work. I tested this thing out when I first got started, and I was excited to see that every single time I sent my sponsors Mailbot an email, every single one of those emails ended up in my inbox. None of them went into the junk folder. So you're going to get access to this quick 3-minute watch now video. And I also want you to get a free demo. Test this thing out. See how it works. If you have an email, then you can make money with this system. And all you need to do right now, go to my description underneath this video. You're going to see some really simple instructions on how you can send my Mailbot an email. And if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. Have an amazing day. Take care.